This video I will show you how you can create the walkthrough with keyframe and also make the camera path. After that, how you can make export a walkthrough to the AVI files. So you have to go in the browser first level. After first level, just go in the here you will see here is 3D camera and walkthrough. Just click in the walkthrough. After that, what you will do, just make camera position like this. For example, I will make from here external, click here, click here, click here, like this one. After that, just click on this line and edit the walkthrough. You will see here, this is here what you have here, two path. First things, you have to make walkthrough with keyframe. So you can select here keyframe like this one. See keyframe, just click here. This is keyframe. This called, if you want to add keyframe, you can add here keyframe. If you want to modify keyframe, you can modify the keyframe. So I want to add more keyframe, so I can add here keyframe. If you want to change here, just click here, go in the active cameras. See this one, you can change here camera view for here and go again from back. Just click here, click in the edit and go in the previous. See camera going here previous frame like this is previous keyframe. Here you can also change view like this one. Then again go previous this keyframe and change like camera keyframe. And like this is camera showing this one. You want to show building like this, go again. So you want to make this from that side where you need, you can. So in this case you can change all your camera view with the keyframe. After that, multi camera path. If you want to change multi camera path, just click here edit view and then go here. You see here path, just select the path. After paths, you have this path. You can change this path where you need. Camera going here, outside, where you want, just like this one. This is path. You can select this path from here. You can change this path. So first you draw this line, then you can have camera view, then you have changed the path. This is called camera path. You can edit. After that, you have to save this one here. Open. You can click open. When you click open, it will be show like this one. You can here make realistic and play here. It will see this is camera. What you select, it is working like this because your camera direction like this one. Then other camera you made like this and other camera it will be go like this. This is walkthrough. You can see all walkthrough like this one. That's it. After that, you want to edit now. So in browser file here, as you know, here is floor level, ceilings, 3D views, and here is coming walkthrough. Click here, you have walkthrough here. And first I show you how to create walkthrough and path and camera setting keyframe. Now you want to export with AVI file. So you have this file, just click here, then go here export, just click here. You will see here image and animation, just click here, then you have here walkthrough. When you click here, it will be show you other setting. Here will you want to make all frame or few frame, you can select all frame, your frame ratio, and here visualize what you want. In make rendering it will be take time and make also very heavy. So you can choose any type what you want. I make realistic and then click OK. It will be ask you where you want to save. I make desktop and put here name and see here AVI files coming and save. It will be work. And here you need full frame or compacted, uncompacted. So you can see I want to make uncompacted, compressed, uncompressed. Just click here and this will be safe in your PC. So this file export, now we'll see there, this file coming here. See this file AVI, I will open here as a video. You can see this our walkthrough which we make. I make fast just to learn you how you can make and see all files there. So like this one you can export your walkthrough using from the file, export, and in the animation like this one. Thank you so much.